Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my 2-strand twist out. But before I start, I'm going to tell you a few reasons why it's beneficial to your hair. Benefit number 1, it's a low manipulation style. You know, the less you manipulate your hair, the healthier your natural hair is, especially if you have type 4 hair. Benefit number 2, this is probably the most beneficial point I'm going to give you guys. It helps to maintain moisture. We all know that natural hair loves moisture, and twist outs tends to lock in and maintain a lot of moisture. Benefit number 3, it promotes growth. Benefit number 4, it helps to keep your hair detangled, so you really won't have a lot of air flowing through your hair, because you know, someone like me or another type 4 hair person, if too much air goes through your hair strands, you know, that's a lot of knotting and tangling, and when it's time to detangle, we all know that can be such a disastrous thing. So today, the products that I'll be using are, you definitely need a bottle of water. Well, a spray bottle with water. The next thing you'd need is castor oil, or whichever essential oil you prefer. I also use my main choice leave-in conditioner. I use my EcoStyle gel. I use this particular one. I mean, it doesn't matter which one you use. Your preference is based on how your hair reacts and what end result you actually get. This one does not flake on me, so I actually like this one. So this is the one I use. And then last but not least, I use these 2 creams. I use the Auntie butter cream and the Texture ID styling cream, and I must tell you, this is a holy grail for me. Whether I want a twist out or if I want a slick back ponytail, this right here, this one, is the gem. So you guys can stay tuned and I'll be showing you how I get the look. Alright guys, so I already detangled and oiled my hair with some regular petroleum jelly. I use the Blue Magic castor oil. So now I'm going to show you guys what I do. Alright, so I'm going to pull out this twist right here and spray with my hot water. Okay, so I'm going to grab this right here, this amount right here, get this out the way, get a smaller comb out the area, or detangle the area. I'm going to add my leave-in conditioner. Just a little pea-sized amount because it's a small section. Add it. I'm going to add my castor oil right now. Small amount because it's very thick. And that amount, and I'm going to start with the Auntie Jackie's buttercream. I prefer to use the Texture ID styling cream at the front because it gives me more definition versus this one right here. I'm going to take a small amount. Can't use my nails. My nails are too long. Small amount. Put it in. Detangle once more. And at this point, you're going to get you're going to try and get even amounts. So I'm going to go in the middle, part in two, like so. Then I'm going to twist. We're not going to do this and twist. That's a rope twist. We're going to twist regularly or regular. Try to ensure that you twist to the very end. When you're at the end, you twist the ends like so, and then you have your first twist. See, it looks even. Yeah, that's your first twist. And you do the same process with the entire section. Alright guys, so I forgot to tell you to add gel to the mixture, but nevertheless, this is the finished look. You guys can stay tuned for the final look. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days now and it's time to unravel the twist. So what we're gonna use is any oil of your choice. I'm using castor oil today and it should be a pink one, but I don't know where it is, so we're gonna use this today. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're gonna go in with the comb and we're going to lift the roots. So yeah, just watch it. Can you see the difference? Lifted, not lifted. We're gonna do the same on this side. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you followed my method or my technique, you can always post and tag me on Instagram or send me an email on here. You can like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this video and stay tuned for more. Bye guys.